Life, please live your life for yourself, not for others. Words can destroy in a minute what the heart had to build in a year. Nobody is coming to save you. Get up and be your own hero. You never look good trying to make someone else look bad. Grace is when you have a lot to say, but you choose to remain silent in front of fools. Your future needs you, your past doesn't. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. You are not here to make others understand you. You are here to understand yourself. One day at a time is all we should be dealing with. We can't go back to yesterday and we can't control tomorrow. So live for today. Don't let yourself be controlled by three things: people, money, or your past. Be the lesson someone feels welcomed, seen, heard, valued, loved, and supported. Anything that costs you your peace is too expensive. Learn to let it go. Never say mean words out of anger. Your anger will pass, but your mean words can scare a person for life. So use kind words or be silent. At the end of the day, I am thankful that my blessings are bigger than my problems.